So when it comes to these artificial sweeteners, like monk fruit, stevia, this natfia stuff, where's the actual fruit? They say it's 100% natural, but I want to see the actual fruit, right? Monk fruit. Where is the monk fruit? Where is the stevia plant? You can't really claim it's natural, right? If it's in this form.
Yeah, and this one is like an extract.
Yeah, that one's an extract, which is like, and it's got this anti-caking agent and...
Yeah, steviol glycoside.
Yeah.
Where's the
sodium.
dried stevia leaf?
Yeah. So you got to really watch yourself. Just have the sugar. Like, oh, it just drives me crazy knowing people are wasting their time and money. These are very expensive too on this rubbish when they could be having the real thing, getting energy. You need energy when you consume things. You know, these are sugar, but they're going to give you energy. Right? Don't be scared of having like energy for your day, right? Not explosive diarrhea.
That was almost $8 for 12 grams.
Yeah, wow. Ridiculous.